Okay, as you can see, I have already given the key. Key means that exam answer key for the midterm. Okay, so please check with your questions because there are, as you know, that there are 4 different type of the questions. Maybe you see or not, here are 4 different set of the questions. And then I think you can only see your answer there based on your question. Okay, so please check. For the marks, I will help as much as I can for all the students. Okay, so I finish marking, but as you know that I have to increase the some marks. I have to help you. So inshallah, I will do it inshallah. So after next week, I will let you know, okay? So today I want you to learn the new things called the forms and color. Today I want to finish the forms. So the forms are something like this, okay? So when you are, the answering something, okay? Or survey or something like this, evaluation, you have to click like this. For example, this is called male, you are male or female, okay? So you have to click something like this. Okay, for example, they ask the question, this is called, do you have a bike or do you have a car? You can click here. So the things about the DC, you have to know, okay, I'm just basically explaining, is that for this one, the round shape is called radio button. For this round shape, you can only click one. If you click the male, you cannot click the female. Okay, if you click the female, you cannot click the male. This is strictly for only to answer the one things. Okay, but this is called the checkbox. If you have like this kind of things, you can click more than one. You can click all, no problem. You can click all. Okay, so this is the difference between this round color. Round is called radio button. This is called the checkbox. Radio button allow you to select only one. The checkbox allow you to select more than one. You can select anything. Okay, you can select all or you can select. Because maybe you have this one, bike also, you have a car also, maybe you have another things also. Okay, so these are the 2 different type of the button. Okay, so we are going to learn. And then again, this is also, I think that for the students, you already know that whenever you want to do the registration or you want to see your result, you have to enter the username and password. And then after that, you have to click the submit button. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to learn today. Okay, so it is already given in the here, fonts and color. Okay, so when you download these things, and then I have here only 6 slices here. 6 slices here, and then today I want to cover until the here, 3 slices today. Okay, so next class, maybe we will cover next week, inshallah. We only have a next week, or we still have a, I think the Wednesday maybe. Okay, so this week we will finish this one, so that for those who doesn't understand, I can give you more time. So let's go now. This is the creating the form. Just now I already show you how we are going to create. Form, okay, so what is a form? They call the form, and then these are some of the terms that you have to know. The form, okay, is an area that can contain form elements. They say that, okay. So form elements are elements that allow the user to enter the information. For example, here, okay. So how you are going to enter these things? For example, what is your first name? What is your last name? You have to enter the information when they ask this form. Something like this, okay. And then after that, here you have for example, like you have a button here. This is just now I show you radio button and checkbox. Radio buttons are like a cycle shape. You can only select one, but the checkboxes you can select more than one. Okay, so this is the things. Okay, so these are the input. What is the input is that when you are going to create the form, in order to get these things, okay, and the browser, you have here called the form, okay, open, and then form is a close here. Form open and form close. So inside this, we are going to write the first name and last name. This is the things here. It is appear here, first name and last name. Okay, so what is the input here? Input type is equal to text. And here also input type equal to text. This is I think you should put this one without the changing. Just put the text. You know what does this mean? The text include the number and alphabet. or symbol also. For example, if you are going to enter the name, maybe you are going to enter your name ABCD. So this is one of the text here. But what is the last name? Also maybe ABCD. Okay, so this is also the text. So you put the text here. Sometimes if you are, for example, they say they enter the password, and here, what is the password? Maybe some of the students, they have a password together with the number and alphabet. For example, maybe I will say Oman 123, something like that. Oman 12345. Because Oman is ABCD alphabet. Okay, 12345 is the number. So when you combine alphabet with the numbers, this is also called the text. So better you put here the text. Text is a better. So this is no need to change. These are the same things. See, input type equal to text, which means that you can enter the ABCD or you can enter 1, 2, 3. This is the things. So, and here the name is a first name, and here you change the last name because here you have a last name here. This is the last name, and then this is the first name. So these are just the same thing. The fix, only just the change, same thing. Okay, so again, you don't have to memorize. Okay, you can just copy, and then based on the things, you will change it. We are going to learn these things. Okay, and then they also say they note that the form itself is not visible. Okay, also note that in most browser, the width of the text field is 20 character by default. So what does this mean? That whenever you enter something, when you submit, it is not, okay, visible, they say that. Okay, so let's go and run it now. I will just copy this one. This is already in the proxy. Okay, let me copy this one, and then let's go and see in the notepad. Edit, copy. Okay, let me go to the notepad here now. NOTEPAD, notepad. Okay, so in this notepad, make sure that you are going to write the HTML. But for the form, if you don't want to put the body, also no problem. But you must put the HTML open and then HTML close. Okay, so and here, wow, why it is not closing? Okay, so now I'm going to copy here. This copy I copy from the first slice. Okay, first slice I copy. This is the form, open, and then the form is closed. Okay, so inside the form we have a two part. The first part is called first name and last name. First name is there your first name, for example, like Amani or something like this. Okay, last name is your family name. Okay, Orami or something like this. Okay, so that's why, and here written is the same thing, only this part is the same, I mean different. First name, you just say first name. Last name, you just say last name. Others are the same thing. You already know this is the BR. BR is for the break. After this one, you are going for the, okay, another line. Now I'm going to save this one in the desktop now. Okay, file, save. Save as, better save as. I have many things in the desktop now. Let's go to save as. What is the name we are going to give? Is there, for example, form. Okay, FORM, form. Okay, form exercise. I will just put form exercise or whatever it is because I already have a form there. So that's why maybe I will just put form 1, 2, 3. Okay, dot HTML. Before I teach, I have to practice first. Okay, so form 1, 2, 3, I save it in the desktop now. Save. So when I go here, form 1, 2, 3, I already have it here. Okay, so when I open this, so this is like this here. First name and last name are like this. But when you look at this one, this is not very, I mean, good because you can enter first name, for example, Ahmad, AHMED, Ahmad. Okay, then last name, Al-Oraimi, something like that. And then after that, you have to submit, you will submit here. This is the things, okay? So you can enter the things and then after the submitting. But when you look at this design, see there is not, I mean the good, you better have another BL to go down another one to have a space. So I believe that you can edit these things, right? So put another BL, no need to be 2 lines. You can continue the line. See, I have a 2 BL now, and then there will be some space between the 2 boxes here. Refresh. I have to save first, file, save, and then refresh. See, this is much more better looking. Okay, so this is the first one, how you create the form. Okay, so this is the first slice. Okay, when you have the lab test, okay, you have to put this one, because as you know that you supposed to have a lab test, but I'm not going to give you a lab test. I will give 1 week to make the project. Okay, because I know that not all the students have a computer. Okay, and again I want to remind you that you can work together, okay, for those who have a computer, but you must submit the different project, okay, because the same is not, okay, because you already know that, okay, so each person have to submit the each project for the evaluation purpose. Okay, so I believe you already know the simple creation of the form, okay, in order to come out like this. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is very important also. In your project also you have to include these things, and then this is important in the final exam also, because final exam they are going to ask this one. Okay, so as I say here, there are radio buttons. Okay, you already know the radio buttons. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so we have 2 types of the button here. The first one is called the radio button, and the second one is called the check boxes. So radio buttons, when you run it, radio buttons, it is coming out like this, but you only have one option can be chosen. One option means that you can choose only male or female, only one. You cannot choose 2 together. Okay, so this is called the radio button. When you want the user to select one of the limited number of shows, one, you can choose only one. This is called the radio button. Okay, so how about the check boxes? Check boxes coming with like this. So you can select more than one or more. Here, one or more. Here is only one. You can select, by here, one or more. Okay, now look at the formula now. What is the things that you have to write the coding? It is the same thing, form open and form close. Okay, here also form open and form close. Okay, so what inside is different is that just now you have an input type are the same thing and input type are the same thing. But and here you have to put the radio. Radio. See, radio means that these are called the radio. This is the radio button. Okay, but and here the difference is here checkbox. You have to put the checkbox if you want the output to be like this. Okay, this is called the checkbox here. This is called the radio. Okay, so the name is a sex here because they want to know whether you are the male or female. So that's why the sex. But actually these are not really necessary. Okay, you can put it different things, no problem. But they want to know, it is better that if you are putting that correctly, because they want to know whether the value is, the first one is going to be the male and then the second one is going to be the female. This is the things. So the based on the, okay, your choice that you can change it here. Okay, so what do you want me to? Okay, so this is the things. Okay, then after that, and here also, and here for the checkbox, they don't have a name here. You have a name is only the bike, okay, or car. The first one say that I have a bike and I have a car. So that's why you put it this way. So what you have to understand is that when you run this coding, this part is not coming inside. This is not going to be appear in your website. Okay, only appear this last part, male or female, only appear like this. Okay, but what does this make? This make you only for this thing, the button. This make you only the button. And then here also, only this part is appear. I have a bike and I have a car. This part is not appear in the website when you create. Okay, so but this allow you to have these things here. Okay, so let's go and run it in the notepad now. Okay, sorry. Let's go to the notepad now. Okay, let me add from these slides here. The first one here is I don't have to put the form anymore because I already have a form. So no need to put it there. Okay, so I already have a form, so you can just put it inside the form here. Okay, I will put 2BR again because I want it to make sure that it's go down. Okay, after the last name, we are going to make the button here. So I want to go down 2 line. Okay, so it is going to be here. Okay, so the first one is the male and female. Okay, so I think it is finished now. After male, it is going to go down 1 line, then after that female. Okay, then you have a form close. See, since you are writing only in one page, you only open one time form and then one time close form. You don't have to put separate form inside. You don't need. Okay, so now let's go and check file, save, and refresh. See, it is already there. So for the radio button, you are allowed to choose only one, whether you are the male or whether you are the female. Only one is allowed. Okay, so let's go to the second part here, check boxes. Check boxes, okay, I will put it here. And then here also paste. I just copy and paste it, but I will put this 2-line BR again and here. Okay, so which means that I want to go down 2 line in order to have another part. This is called the checkbox button. Checkbox. Okay, so the bike and this one. So when I save it and run, see, this is here. So for the checkbox, you can click more than one. Okay, so for example, I will show you if you are going to add another one or not. It is very easy. You can add another one here. Okay, another one. Okay, so if you want to add another one, this is just change. Maybe you have a bike, car, motorcycle. M-O-T-O-R, motorcycle, C-Y-C-L-E, motorcycle. And here just change motorcycle. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. So now here you're going to have 3 things. Okay, after that I will save file, save, and then refresh. Now you already have 3 things. So and here you can select all the 3 things, or you can select even the 2 things. It is up to you because it allows you to select one or more. Okay, but for here it allows you only one. Okay, for here also you can add it female or male. Maybe you can add another things also. Maybe some of the people, they don't want to say whether you are male or female. You already know that there are different kind of the people. So for those kind of the people, okay, so they have like this kind of thing. For example, like other. They put the words called other. OTH here, other. Because they don't want to mention whether they are the male or female. OTH here, other. Okay, so now it is going to be male, female, and others are going to be there. Okay, file, save, and refresh. See, you just need to change here. So for this radio button, you can allow only one things. For those who don't want to say, just click here. But if you click female, it is not allowed to click other things. So these are the, okay, the things that you have to understand. What is the radio button does? What does the radio button allow you to do? And then what does the checkbox button allow you to do? Okay, radio button allow you to choose only one, but the checkbox button will allow you to choose the more than one. Okay, so for the today, the last one, you need to know about the form is, this is the things. Okay, so how you are going to use the submit button. We already have these things already. We already have it. Okay, so now we are going for the submit button only. From here, I want to choose only the submit button. How you are going to submit the button here. Okay, so when you submit here, when you copy, Okay, and when you are copying these things and here, okay, I will put the BR later. Now this is the submit button. Okay, so you are going to submit after this. I will just put it BL. One BL is enough or not, I'm not sure. So which allow you the submit button. Okay, file, save and refresh. See, this is a submit button is there. Just click the submit button. After you choose this one, and then you can just click the submit button. So there are three things that we learn here, okay, how it's allow you to do the first name, last name, because the reason I'm not giving you the username is that we already did it from here, first name and last name. This is the same thing. Okay, so you don't have to know. So from here, you only need to know about the how to make the submit button. Okay, so this is the submit button. How to make the submit button here. Okay, so this is the things. How to make the submit button and here. So these are the things. Okay, so today we learn about the form. As you know that, okay, so you are dealing with this form, this kind of form whenever you are, okay, doing the registration or whenever you are filling out some of the forms, some of the survey. So they allow you to do these things. So this is the one of the things that you need to know. And then when you design your project, web development, okay, so you have to include all this part. And then also in the final exam, they are going to give you this website and then they will allow you, okay, to make it. They will allow you, okay, to write the coding like the midterm. And then it is very easy. I told you it is the combination from the slides number 1, 2, and 3, okay. But again, you have to know that they might add some of the things, for example, called logo, image. So when they are adding something from the previous chapter 2, chapter 3, you have to know how to do because they will ask you to combine. Okay. So please remember this and then it is not difficult. Okay. So and then again, it is very easy and then it is interesting. Okay. Creating the HTML coding. Okay. And then I have already given everything here. So we already know that we open the HTML and HTML close, only the form. Okay. We have a parted there. So the first slice allow you, okay, for the first name and last name. So this is the first point here, first name and last name, and then this is allow you to enter the box here. Okay, the second part is that we use the radio button here. These are the 3 radio button. Okay, so it which allow you the gender for you. What is your gender? Okay, male or female or others. Okay, so and this radio button, it is only allow you to choose only one. Okay, so the last one is the checkbox button. Checkbox, I have also the 3 checkbox here. Okay, what do you have it? So for the checkbox, you are allowed to choose more than one. Okay, then after that, we do about the submit button. Value is just a submit. Okay, so when you know about this, then this is the submit. It is a value, this S, bigger S is coming here, submit. Okay, but this small S is not coming here. Okay, so please try to know about this. Any questions, students, regarding about this? Because I don't want you to go for many things at the same time. So regarding about today, I just want you to understand the form. Okay, how to design the form using the HTML coding. Any questions, students, please? Okay, I hope it is understandable, right? Not difficult at all. Any questions, students, regarding about this? Please. If you have no questions, I will just stop. Okay, so I hope you understand, right? Okay, so it is easy again. Okay, so please review again. Okay, so I have also already recorded, and then after I finish this, I will upload again, and then I will put it under the today lectures, inshallah. Okay, okay. So you may leave now. You may leave now. Okay, and then see you on the next. Tomorrow we have a practical class. Remember. So in this practical class, I want to explain. I want to finish this one. Okay. So we already know that. We already know how to put the color. Remember. when we have for the first chapter, I think how we are going to put the BG color. Okay, but now they give us how you can put the many colors. Not only you can write the BG color black here. Okay, so this is a very simple one also. Okay, so we will go through it this week. We will finish this chapter. Again, it is very easy, and then we don't have much thing left. I'm not going to teach you many things. These are all the things that you need to know, inshallah. Okay, so that I will give revision more and more, and then I will give like the question type, and then I will explain more so that you will be able to do well in the final exam, inshallah. Okay, so we will leave it now today. Okay, so I will upload this one in the YouTube, and then like a HTML coding, I will put it there again. Okay, so like this one, because the like this, okay, I will put it under the here HTML. Okay, whatever we learn it today. Okay, take care, bye, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, see you tomorrow.